up, you guys? Today is Monday, July 29th, and today's the day I'm moving in to my first New York City apartment. I'm gonna try not to say the same things over and over again today, which is, oh my god, this is so exciting. I'm so excited, I can't believe it, blah, blah, blah. But if I do, please forgive me. It's just how I'm feeling. I just packed up all my stuff. I'm so excited to be done living in suitcases. I mean, I will be for the next couple days till my stuff gets here from DC, but done moving around to Airbnbs. I mean, this one's been great. I never had my very own apartment. It's all mine. If you haven't seen the rest of the series, me looking for apartments and moving to New York and everything, definitely go check out the rest of those vlogs. My name's Kristee. Subscribe if you want to see more. I'm so ready for this chapter. I'm gonna go sign the lease, get the keys. Since my bank is on the West Coast, my parents had to like express ship the checks because they have to be like certified cashier's checks. So I tracked them and they arrived this morning at the management company. So I'm gonna go sign the lease, get the keys, and then we're gonna go to the apartment and I'm gonna show you an empty apartment tour. Let's do it. I'm hoping I'm going in the subway station the right way. The most annoying thing about New York subways is that you have to like enter at a certain place to make sure you're going the right direction. Like in DC, you can enter at any station, really, any side. Church, okay, we're in the right place. I have 28 minutes, and it should take 24 to get there. Basically, when I get into my apartment today, I'm not gonna have anything, any furniture besides my suitcases that I have. So I ordered on Amazon to arrive there today, an airbed. You know how we love inflatable furniture, and a few other essentials, so I will unbox them when I get there. Here it is. This is my lease in this envelope. It doesn't look exciting, but it's pretty monumental to me. I got my keys in my bag, like I showed you guys in the management company. It was super quick to sign. Well, I mean, I've read everything. Already dripping sweat, and I haven't even left the building with these. So let's lug these for the last time. It's even smaller than I remembered, and I love every part of it. Before I put anything down or make a mess of anything, I wanted to do my empty apartment tour for you guys. It'll be very quick because it's a very small apartment. And I'm gonna put my suitcases in the closet here for the rest of it, so I'm gonna show you that first. So from the front door, we have this little entryway, closet, bathroom. So in the closet, not the most spacious, but you know, we're gonna make do. We're gonna get creative with our storage. We've already decided. So got a nice shelf up there with a rod to hang clothes, obviously. That's thinking it might be good to do some over the door storage. Let's see if there's even space up there when it's closed. Huh. Not sure if I could fit anything to hang, but we'll see what we can do. Yeah, it's a closet. Okay, so the entryway. Oh, it's so bright. Here's just a big overview of the main room. It is a studio, so one big room full of bad bitches. And the view when you walk in the door. I love the like crown molding kind. I'm not sure if that's the exact term for this, but the molding on the walls is kind of cool. It adds a little character. It's actually not too hot in here, which is good. But yeah, we got an outlet here, outlet in the corner, outlet by the window, outlet over here, so that is good. Probably won't even use the light during the day, but it is a pretty decent, emits a lot of light. I'll leave it on just for this tour. In this corner, I feel like I'm announcing a boxing match. In this corner, I feel like I want to put my bed. I have a full-size bed, and I think it'll fit. Honestly, I'm not exactly sure. I'm gonna do measurements and stuff today. The only thing is my bed frame has those drawers underneath. If you guys remember, it's from IKEA. So it's kind of like a dresser. So they're on both sides. And if it's up against the wall, I obviously can't really access them. I would just have to pretty much use the other side against the wall for long-term storage that I would barely open, maybe like suitcases or seasonal things or sweaters or whatever during summer. I'm still deciding on that. My furniture is gonna be here on Wednesday, so then we'll actually play around with it. Then I'm thinking I could do like a little dresser here. I'm not sure. I'm definitely open to ideas, so that's why I'm doing this empty apartment tour, so you guys can see it in its full potential and see what ideas you'd have, what you would do with the space. And then window, I'm gonna get a little window AC unit. I already ordered it on Amazon to come tomorrow. This corner corner has the heater in it. It's still summer, so it's not in use, so I'm thinking I'll lean my full-length mirror in this corner. It's probably not a good idea to have it there when the heater is running in the winter, so I'll have to move it, but we'll see. May even be able to like mount it against this wall or something, I don't really know. Cable hookup, I gotta call the cable guy to set things up. Against this wall, this could also be a good dresser wall or my desk. My desk might be too tall to put right under this window, but it could go nicely against this wall. You guys can tell there's about like 6 inches here where it's popped out from this wall, so I could get a little tricky with furniture. This corner is where I'm picturing my little like living room nook. It's not really gonna be much of a living room, but I did find a really cute corner sectional piece on IKEA that would just go really nicely here, and then put a small table and then maybe a chair next to it, just so people can sit and I can sit and eat. Also, I'm thinking a big mirror here could be good to open the space up too. Ooh, there's also a dimmer on this light. How nice. Okay, but yes, I love the window. I love how it looks with the room. I can't believe I actually live here now. This is insane. This is a pretty big entryway. I like how it's all open to each other and not blocked off in hallways and stuff. Next to the closet, we go into the bathroom. It's got lights up there, some gold on them. Need to get a shower curtain, but here's the shower, standard tub and shower. Oh, they left a little thing to put stuff on, so that's nice. I like how the shower has one of these things, like a removable shower head. Toilet, new toilet seat cover, luxury. I definitely think over the toilet storage would be great for this. Don't mind me, I'm a sweaty mess. It is 95 out there. Also a little toilet paper thing, and just a sink, no cabinet underneath, but there is a little medicine cabinet behind the mirror. That is the bathroom. A little cart back there could be good too. So then walking in here, this is the kitchen. There's a big space up here, which I will definitely use for storage somehow. The fridge is massive considering the size of this apartment, so no complaints. It's got great lighting because it has a huge window right in the kitchen. So great for me filming my healthy recipes. Put stuff that I don't need often up there. Here's the stove. It looks pretty nice and decently new. Clean, very standard gas stove. Good size oven, full size. And it doesn't have like the most cabinet space in the world, but it's good enough for me, one person. It actually has more counter space here than I remember. So I would definitely have room for like a little mini coffee maker and my air fryer here. Gonna measure this and order a microwave for it. One of the past tenants actually put this wallpaper up and I love it. I think it's so cute. So I'm glad that I actually like it. We got cabinets with shelves. Ooh, hello, sir. Is he gonna do that every time? My tools are coming on Wednesday with my stuff. People were asking if I was gonna go back to DC to get all my stuff, but the moving company I used actually is gonna come deliver it for me, which is so nice because I don't have a vehicle. Little storage up here. Same thing on this side. Pretty standard stuff. It's kind of nice that it has this shelf up here, so maybe I could even put spices. Oh, I could do like a whole spice rack here too. Okay. The sink is actually not that deep. Am I overthinking this now? But yeah, it has a removable sink head, which is also nice. I haven't had that in an apartment. It's the little things. And then, oh, they left, I need to clean this out, but they left a silverware organizer. That's nice because I was gonna have to buy that and I'm really not picky about what it is. Space for pots and pans. I kind of wish, oh, I think this is all open under the sink. Okay. Damn, I kind of wish it was separate and had shelves. Oh, they left a trash can as well. Oh, that's nice, it's rolling and it's like installed in this. Okay, I honestly like that I have one less thing to worry about. Then this is stuff I brought from my Airbnb, and inside the freezer, oh my God, they have ice cube trays too. Wow, bless up, I'm gonna fill these. Oh, they need to be cleaned first. I got these frozen sausages and then my Airbnb didn't have a microwave, and neither do I, so one day I'll eat them. And the refrigerator, wow, this is nice. Sliding drawers, never had that. But yeah, plenty of door space for my cold brew, the most important things, and my single lemon for lemon water. Priorities. I also have some little rice cake stackers. The first thing's going in my kitchen. This isn't supposed to be part of the tour, but whatever. I have a little collagen creamer where I already used part of it because I don't use all of them at once. And that is it. That's my apartment. This is where I'm gonna be living for the next year at least. Can't believe it. I can't believe I'm actually here. I can't believe this is real. I signed the lease this morning. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I posted yesterday that I signed the lease, but it was a lie. I was gonna save it as a draft and then post it today, but then I got too excited and just posted it last night, so whatever. So echoey. I can't wait to actually have furniture and to feel it more homey. I think it'll feel bigger, honestly, when I have furniture in here. Let me know your thoughts, ideas in the comments down below. Here's one last overview. Kitchen. I definitely want to put something in this corner for storage I think would be useful. Probably do a little coat rack and tray here for keys and coats. Yeah, this is it, my new home. My Amazon stuff is here, so next we're gonna unbox it. Just set up my GoPro. I actually was filming the whole time, so maybe I'll use some of that footage. It was probably all really stupid because I was trying to get a thumbnail because you can see more of the apartment in it. Also, look how perfect this ledge is for me vlogging. Review to all my future content, my life. Oh, I'm so excited. I kind of don't know what to do with myself. I touched on my makeup a little bit because I felt gross. This lighting, this place. Okay, obviously I'm really happy. The sun's coming out, so I think I'm gonna do my unboxing. Hello. I have a few towels I got from TJ Maxx the other day. So I got 2 cute little kitchen towels. I'll put these on the stove. 18 by 28. Probably a standard towel size. The sun is kind of coming in and out of clouds, so it might get a little brighter. There's 2 of them there. There's white linen with little light pink stripes. It's honestly so light, you might not even be able to tell. A bath hand towel to have in the bathroom. I got some eco-friendly plates. They're like wheat, I think. They're washable and microwavable. It's honestly so bright, this could be a problem. There's a blue, a yellow beige, a pink, and a green. Just hold me over till I get more dishes. And if I remember, fingers crossed, I'll put them on my Amazon page, which is linked down below always. And then you can go and shop these things that I'm showing you on there. Okay, and then I got a blanket because the throw blanket that I had in my last apartment, I had to leave it behind. I used it after my stuff was moved out and I was staying there for a night, and then I just left it with my roommate. So I got this one, which I knew I wanted to do a white blanket because I'm keeping my pink comforter. I don't want to fully undo it yet. I'll show you when I like blow up my bed. It's a white fuzzy throw blanket. I think it's Sherpa on one side and like short furry on the other. I don't have any bedding here, so needed something to sleep with. And I'm just gonna put it on my bed eventually anyway. I got a couple household things that I knew I was gonna get eventually anyway, but I didn't care too much about like seeing in person or anything. I got a memory foam bath mat. It's just light gray, so matches the towels. Yeah, whoa. Nice. From Amazon Basics, I got 3 quick dry towel set, 1 bath towel, it's just a light pink color, and 1 hand towel, and 1 washcloth. So I got a set of these like fork things. I used to have one like this from REI like years ago, but I don't know what happened to it. It's colorful. It's a fork with kind of a knife edge on one of them and a spoon on the other side. It looks like I'm putting things in a kid's like starter kitchen, which pretty much this is. Last kitchen thing, I got some glasses, which aren't glass. They're acrylic. Acrylic cups, I got a set of 6. Again, I just don't want them to be breakable. And they have a little touch of color at the bottom, so these 2 are blue. And 2 of them have red at the bottom. And 2 of them have like gray purple at the bottom. To really break in the place. Inflatable furniture. Look how happy and suave this guy is to be on this blow-up mattress. Again, I left my air mattress behind in DC, so I got one on Amazon because I'm sure I'll need it in the future anyway. So I got this one that has a built-in pillow. We'll see how that goes. It's supposed to have a contoured support system, so you don't sink into the middle of it. It's supposed to be comfier. And it's self-inflating, which is pretty cool. Self-inflating. I think it's doing something. Oh, I was blocking it with the tag. It's a twin size. This will help me visualize furniture. Wow. Would you look at that? That took like a minute, but I'm gonna let it run for a little bit just to stretch the mattress like you're supposed to do. This pillow is pathetic, but you know, we expected that. Nice. Okay, now you can actually see these towels better. White with light pink pinstripes. It's looking homey already. Oh, this is nice. Your average air mattress. My pillow. This is so funny. And then I'll put my blanket. It's helping me visualize, and a full is gonna go maybe even beyond that molding. I don't know. Foot of the bed is gonna be similarly here, which is a good size for like a tall dresser or something. I just realized I have to do the most important thing. Every time I move into a new apartment, since my sophomore year of college when I moved into like a dorm apartment, I always play Apartment by Young the Giant the first day. I don't know why, and we're gonna do it. Me says I don't know why, as if it's not called Apartment.
On my way to your apartment.
The measurement on your phone and know whether whether or not that item will fit. So it'll cut down on how many trips you have to make back and forth.
Yeah, that's smart. Okay, I found my tape measurer. I'm gonna measure this wall that I had that corner thing in mind for. Okay, it has been a few hours since I talked to you. I talked to my parents on the phone for a long time, but my mom gave me this idea to put in the notes of my phone, like take a picture of a wall and then put in the notes the measurements of it. Or conversely, if you're just shopping for something and you see something that you like, take a picture of it and put the notes siren. Couldn't figure out how to add a note on the iPhone. I'm sure you can, I just didn't do it. So what I did instead is I did like the markup thing where you can draw on the picture, but I took a picture of this little wall over there between the little pop out part of the wall and drew that it's 49 inches across. I don't have internet yet, but don't you worry because I scheduled my appointment to get internet on Wednesday in the morning, hopefully before my movers come. Set up my electric and gas and everything that I need to take care of. I'm gonna go just walk around the corner and check out a little grocery shop that is supposed to be close by, just see what they have. I'm not gonna do my full-on huge grocery shopping right now. Let's go check out the grocery situation. I know I'm new to the whole hummus thing, but I feel like vanilla hummus sounds weird. I'm gonna go with garlic. Got some more iced coffee, literally priorities, and some oat milk because I've realized that I love oat milk in coffee. I got some baby carrots with hummus. I got garlic, got some gluten-free bread and some eggs. Got some crackers for hummus, rice cakes, couple Luna bars, and avocado. And some non-dairy ice cream. I haven't tried this one yet. I really like the Arctic Zero non-dairy because they don't use pea protein. And just a few rolls of toilet paper to stock. Little things to hold me over. I can't even cook my eggs yet because I don't have a pan. I was meant to buy like a little pan, but I didn't find one. I'm watching the Bachelorette finale and crying. It's really dark in here. I need to turn on a light. But for dinner, I'm having some hummus with carrots and rice cakes. Good morning from my brand new apartment. I just slept on my air mattress and it honestly was fine. It was probably the best sleep I've ever had on an air mattress, being honest. The last one I had was definitely a struggle to sleep. Pretty thick, so there's a lot of air space, and it did a good job. The only thing is I kind of wish I had a real pillow. I put a jacket on top of their pillow. Like barely even used the blanket because it was really warm. Some sort of construction going on behind the apartment vicinity. It gets loud. I had this little window open just because it was hot last night, so I'm gonna close it. I don't have a knife to cut my lemon for lemon water, so I'm just drinking ice water. I'm gonna make some coffee. Elmhurst milked oats. If you're curious, I tasted it, it's really good. We've come to the part of the vlog where I'm gonna end it, so I'm so sad that this is over already. It was so much fun showing you guys the apartment empty and ideas. I'm so excited for all to come and I just have such a good feeling about this place. I just want to say thank you genuinely for all of the very positive and like supportive comments I've gotten. And I can tell that so many people are just as excited as I am about this, and it just makes me feel like so happy that we have this kind of community. I've gotten so many messages of people that are like, I'm moving next week and I'm like, this makes me so excited, or I'm moving after this, or I'm not moving but it's so fun to live vicariously through you, or things like that. And so many people have reached out to me on Instagram through DMs like saying, hey, I live in New York and I'd love to hang out with you. I appreciate you all so much, and those comments don't go unnoticed even if I don't respond. I want to try and get back to people eventually, but if I don't respond, just message me again. I started editing this already, but I want to go to Starbucks to finish it and upload it because I don't have Wi-Fi yet. I like it to be like super current and real time with you guys, so definitely stick around if you want to see how this place actually comes together when there's real furniture. Definitely subscribe if you want to see updates with that, see all my future vlogs, see what happens with my life, me in the job searching process next, me getting back into fitness stuff, which I'm so excited when the moving settles down a little. Make sure to give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. It really supports my channel, honestly, and it helps YouTube promote it to other people that might want to see it. So other people that are looking for New York apartment tours, they would love it if you give this a thumbs up. Also, Instagram saw it first. I put this on my Instagram story, and if you want to be in the know, definitely go follow me on Instagram too. Okay, enough shameless plug. I will see you in my next one, which will be my movers coming with my furniture. Okay, bye.